The UN's humanitarian organization, OCHA, has reported that over 1 million people in South Sudan have been affected by widespread flooding. More than a quarter of those affected, particularly in the north, have been displaced from their homes due to rising waters. OCHA noted that while the displaced individuals are seeking refuge on higher ground, heavy rains have made it increasingly difficult to deliver aid to those in need. A government relief agency in the east has reported that 112,000 people have lost their homes.